How to create a new set on Anytype. Step 1. Launch Anytype on your desktop or mobile. From the home screen, tap the plus button or go to your sidebar and select Create New Object. Step 2. In the Object Type menu, choose Set A. Set is a powerful view that lets you group and filter multiple objects by type, like task, notes, or custom templates. After naming your set, choose which object type you want it to include, for example, task, notes, project, or a custom type you've created. Once selected, Anytype will auto-pull all related objects into that set. Step 4. Click the filter icon to show only specific item based on tags, status, or date. Use the sort and layout options to switch between table, list, or card views for your set. And that's it.